Welcome to Yardie's Kitchen, and today I want to do a quick video for you guys. Just something that I think it would be helpful. So have you ever done like me and gone out to the supermarket and bought your fresh ingredients to do, you know, whatever recipes you want to do, and then you are left with some leftovers and you don't know what to do with them? You put them in the fridge, and after a while them just wilt, or you know, remember them, and you know, all of that, and you end up lose all of that in all of them supplies the way out. Well, this is the same thing that's reaching me, and I decided to do something about it. So I've been watching you know, my friends Trinidadian channel, and one of the things that I've seen is the green seasoning that they do in Trini. I decided, why not add my stuff, you know, all my leftovers, and make some green seasoning. Why not do that? I think that is the smartest way to go. And then you can keep adding to it. You know, you find a little bottle, a container, and you put it in your fridge with your blended seasoning, and you just add to it. No, the ingredients may be a little bit different. They may vary based on your taste, because I don't believe nothing is written in stone. But I think it's worth a good try. So let me tell you what I have here. Now, again, your ingredients may vary, but the process is generally the same. Let me tell you what I have. Okay, so I have some scallions, yeah, green onions. See, this is the what left. These things would have stayed in the fridge and just stay there till me buy new ones. I have parsley, which is Italian parsley, not the flat leaf one, the pretty one. I have a whole bunch of shadow benny, a good number of stalks, and shadow benny is essential if you're doing it Trinidadian way. But I have this here that I used earlier in some of my curries, and I have this left. I have some jalapenos. You know, you can use your Jamaican Scotch bonnet if you want, depending on how spicy you want your green seasoning to be. But I have them, and that's the thing that I want you to get at, guys. Once you have it, use it. Don't bother go buy stuff to make green seasoning. Just use what you have. Alright, I have some thyme. I'm gonna pick up them there and use. I have some parsley. No, not parsley, sorry. This basil. This is basil. I have that, and I have a little bit of oregano. Alright. Now my version is gonna be a cross between this and sofrito, which is this Latino version. So I have one green pepper I'm gonna cut up in it. And I have them something I name tomatillo. Alright, I'm going to use them too in my green seasoning. So what's the process now? Cut up the whole of this, wash them in my colander, and then we're going to try process them in our little food processor. Watch and see, watch and see. only two things that I'm gonna add to my, well, not two, but the only one thing that I'm gonna add to my green seasoning is one of my Scotch bonnet pepper. Well, I add two, but I have a red one. So, and I put my Scotch bonnet peppers in the freezer, guys. That's the way I put them to make them last. But I'm gonna make sure say I add them to this. So when you buy your Scotch bonnet peppers, put them in the freezer, you know, and they'll stay forever, you know. But I use them like this when I do my thing. Let me take out that big part because it's hot. All right, I'm gonna add the seed and everything to my green seasoning. Over here, you see me chop up everything. Now I'm gonna put them in the food processor, and hey, when we're done, green seasoning. Alright guys, I'm gonna put them cloves of garlic here. Yeah, just to make sure the flavor is nice and complete. So remember to cut up the garlic and put garlic too. Alright? Cool. So my food processor, as you can see, is very small. So I'll be doing this in batches, you know, and just bear with me. Bear with my process. See? Green seasoning. Now you just transfer this to a nice little container and store it in your fridge. And put some salt in it if you want. I'm not add no salt to this. You can put a little black pepper if you want. I'm not add no black pepper to this. I just want the green seasoning. Yeah. So here is my finished green seasoning, guys. And I just put it in a bottle that I had in the house. And I promise you guys, it smells so good. The peppers and the shadow benny and all the other ingredients, them stand up in this. Now this is your go-to. This is gonna be your go-to ingredient for most of your dishes. If you're doing curry chicken, curry goat, put some green seasoning. If you're doing jerk chicken, put some green seasoning. Whatever you're doing, if you make corned beef, if you make tin mackerel, whatever you're doing, you just take a spoon of green seasoning. And that way you preserve your scallions, you could put onion in it if you want, you preserve your herbs, you know, and all of them things there. And yeah, everybody happy. So remember, like, guys, join me in the kitchen for another recipe, another how-to, another preserve, another, you know, and check the description because we always need support. Yardie belly in a foreign. Again, please don't come for me, all my Trinidad folks, all my Latino folks. This may not have the same ingredients that you guys use. It may have different ingredients, but it's nonetheless the same process and the same journey. So once again, join me in the kitchen, Yardie belly in our foreign. And this is Yardie belly TV. Share it with your friends. Like, subscribe. And guys, I did not put salt in this. I did not add any salt, okay? So if you want to add salt to yours, that's fine. But I did not add salt to mine, okay? All right. So be blessed. Check description boxes, guys.